The best Zebco 202 and 404 Spincast reels and fishing rod bring confidence and calm to every fishing adventure. Imagine standing by peaceful waters, feeling steady control with every cast, and enjoying quiet moments away from daily stress. Each trip becomes an opportunity to connect with nature, build patience, and create lasting memories. Whether starting out or returning to a favorite hobby, this fishing setup inspires joy, focus, and the satisfaction of effortless, rewarding experiences that keep calling you back to the water. Number 1. Goture Fishing Rod and Reel Combos. Goture Fishing Rod and Reel Combos 1.8 meter to 2.7 meter telescopic fishing pole spinning reel line lures set with carrier bag telescopic rod kit for starter travel saltwater freshwater gear gift brings calm and focus to every fishing trip. Standing by lakes, rivers, or coasts feels peaceful, allowing thoughts to slow and stress to fade naturally. Beginners feel encouraged as confidence grows with each cast, while experienced anglers rediscover excitement and satisfaction that makes every outing memorable. Travel feels effortless because preparation becomes simple and organized. Time outdoors turns ordinary moments into meaningful escapes, where patience, mindfulness, and joy grow naturally. Casting lines creates a connection with nature, offering quiet reflection and emotional balance. Sharing these experiences strengthens bonds with friends and family, making memories that last longer than the day itself. Choosing this kit brings comfort, happiness, and the desire to return to water again and again, guided by trust, relaxation, and rewarding experiences. Number 2. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod Telescopic Fishing Rod. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Combo Collapsible Travel Fishing Pole Rod Starter Kit Carbon Fiber Fishing Rods and 12+1 Bearings Stainless Steel Fishing Gifts for Men Adults transforms ordinary outings into calming escapes. Standing near rivers or lakes feels peaceful, where the mind slows and stress naturally fades. Each cast brings quiet satisfaction, building confidence and patience for beginners while reigniting excitement for experienced anglers. Travel becomes lighter because packing feels simple and effortless, allowing more focus on moments that matter. Time outdoors becomes meaningful, turning brief breaks into memories that linger. Connection with nature feels deeper, creating emotional balance and personal reflection. Sharing these moments with friends or family strengthens bonds through shared joy and quiet smiles. Choosing this kit nurtures relaxation, trust, and lasting happiness. Every fishing trip inspires a desire to return, guided by comfort, calm, and rewarding experiences that make time by the water unforgettable. Number 3. Zebco 202 and 404 Spincast Reels and Fishing Rod. Zebco 202 and 404 Spincast Reels and Fishing Rod Combos 2-pack 5-foot 6-inch 2-piece fishing pole size 30 and 40 reels right-hand retrieve pre-spooled with 10-pound and 15-pound Cajun line black-red brings calm and excitement to every fishing trip. Standing beside quiet lakes or rivers creates space to breathe, reflect, and enjoy nature's simple rhythm. Each cast becomes a moment of focus, building patience and confidence for beginners while reigniting joy for experienced anglers. Travel feels easier because preparation is smooth and stress-free, letting attention remain on the water and the thrill of the catch. Time outdoors becomes personal and meaningful, turning short escapes into lasting memories. Sharing these moments with friends or family strengthens bonds and creates smiles that linger long after the day ends. Choosing this fishing setup nurtures emotional calm, satisfaction, and the desire to return again, guided by the joy and peacefulness fishing naturally brings. Number 4. Sougayilang Fishing Rod and Reel Set Carbon Fiber. Sougayilang Fishing Rod and Reel Set Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Rod 12+1 BB Spinning Reel with Carry Case for Saltwater Freshwater turns ordinary days into peaceful escapes where nature and calm take center stage. Standing by rivers, lakes, or coasts allows the mind to slow and stress to fade, creating space for quiet reflection. Each cast brings a sense of accomplishment, building confidence naturally for beginners while renewing excitement for seasoned anglers. Travel feels effortless because preparation becomes simple and organized, letting more attention remain on the water. Time outdoors transforms short breaks into meaningful moments, where patience and focus grow alongside enjoyment. Sharing these experiences with friends or family strengthens bonds and creates lasting smiles. Choosing this fishing setup encourages balance, calm, and emotional refreshment. Every outing inspires a desire to return, guided by peaceful surroundings, rewarding experiences, and the joy of connecting with nature through fishing. Number 5. CODEK Kids Fishing Pole Set with Full Starter Kits. CODEK Kids Fishing Pole Set with Full Starter Kits, 2-set portable telescopic fishing rod and Spincast reel combos with a fishing net and 2 buckets for boys, girls and youth creates unforgettable moments for young anglers where fun and learning come together. Standing by calm waters sparks curiosity and excitement while teaching patience and focus naturally. Every cast becomes a small adventure, helping children feel proud of their achievements and connected to nature. Carrying the kit feels light and simple, making travel to rivers, lakes, or ponds enjoyable and stress-free. Time outdoors turns ordinary afternoons into meaningful experiences, filled with laughter, discovery, and personal growth. Sharing these trips with family or friends strengthens bonds through playful learning and quiet observation. Choosing this starter kit nurtures confidence, joy, and a sense of accomplishment in every outing. Each fishing adventure encourages curiosity, resilience, and love for nature, inspiring young anglers to return to the water again and again.